How to fix unable to sign into your Wix account via Apple ID issue. This can happen if you have lost access to your Apple ID, your Apple email address, or your password. Here are some possible solutions. If you have lost access to your password or device, you can click the Forgot Password link in the Wix sign-in window. An email with a link to set a new password will be sent to you. If you have used an Apple email address, and have lost access to the details, you will need to manage your Apple ID to recover access. Once you have recovered access to your Apple email address, you will be able to sign into your Wix account. If you cannot access the email account associated with your Wix account, and have used your existing Apple ID, please fill out the ownership verification form. Make sure to fill out the entire form and add a detailed explanation of your case, so Wix can properly verify your site or domain.